Hello everyone, my name is Anuyant and welcome to Virtual Pixel. So this has been quite a hiatus. This is one of the videos that I've been doing after quite a while in this channel. So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Edyell wireless Bluetooth headsets for helmets. After the unboxing of this particular product, we'll go to the installation part of this on this helmet, and I'll also give you the quick first impressions of this product and see how this is working. So without further ado, let's get into this. So this is the Bluetooth unit itself. As you can see, there is a button on it. The button will play and pause music if you are playing music, and it will attend and reject calls once you are in a call. There is a light strip on this device which will light up whenever you turn on the device. This will also act like an equalizer whenever you are playing any audio through this device. Back side of the device, there is this locking mechanism as well as some screw holes. This device is supposed to be IP67 rated. That being said, the screw holes are not giving me that confidence right now. We will see. On the top of the device there are two buttons. There is volume down and volume up. You can long press to change the volume and short press to skip tracks. With that button, there is also one USB port available here. This is a Type-C port that is exclusively used for charging the device. The bottom USB port is for connecting the wired headset that you will place inside your helmet. Along with that, there is also the Google Assistant or Siri button here. You can press that button to activate Google Assistant and talk to it. The quality of the plastic is decent. I wouldn't say this is premium quality plastic, but however, this is not cheap either. Inside the box, you will also get this clip that you can insert in your helmet to mount the device, and a USB charging cable for charging, along with this bunch of speaker drivers and mic. This is what is expected to go inside your helmet to give you the sound as well as act as the mic. The back side of the speaker drivers have Velcro in it, which will be used to stick to your helmet. There will be a negative of the Velcro that you can stick it inside your helmet, and you can stick the drivers on top of that Velcro. This is the mic that is coming with the device, and this is a flexible cable mic. You will also get this type of a mic which is mounted on a fixed arm. This sort of mic can be used for open-faced helmets and other type of helmets where the chin part of the helmet will change. You'll also get some documentation which I might not read, maybe I will because I want to install this properly. And you are getting this Velcro. This is Velcro strips that you can stick inside your helmet, and on top of this Velcro strip you can mount your speaker drivers as well as the mic. Long press and this should open up.
Power on. Pairing.
Okay, so now this went into pairing. I am trying to pair with my phone. Yeah, I can see CS5 here. So let's pair with this device. Done. Now this is connected. I can see this LED is sort of blinking. Okay, this is working. I can hear the music. I'm taking out this padding, and then once the padding is off, you can install the driver here on this ear part, and you can also install the mic on this part. So let me take out this padding first. Just pull it out, it should come off. This right about there. Got it. Now it's done. Just check this helmet whether this is exactly what you. Here you can see that one of the drivers wire length is longer than the other one, so this is the longer one, this is the shorter wire length. So as I understand, this is going to come in left, but I'm going to check it once, and then I'm going to install this on the left side of my helmet and the other on the right side of my helmet, and then I'm also going to do the cable routing. Alright, I did a testing and this is working fine. So let me turn this off and do the final installation. Got it. This is how it is looking on my full-faced helmet. Initial impression style. This thing is really good. I was not expecting the sound to be this good. Like I mentioned earlier, one of my requirement was to listen to podcast and some music. Mostly I do listen to podcast. These cheap Bluetooth devices, they usually mess up the voice department by just over boosting that bass frequency alone, which is not the case here. Here the bass actually works. When someone is talking, that voice is very nicely represented, and I was not expecting that from a device that only costed 1,400 rupees. Kudos to this guys, the device is so good. I really enjoyed it. So that's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was somewhat informative for you and I am able to help you make a decision. If you want to purchase this particular product, I am putting the Amazon link down below in the description. It is not going to be an affiliate link, meaning I'm not going to get any kickback. I'm just going to put that link for your convenience. That's it for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe and please hit that like button. It is going to help out a lot and that is going to be the motivation that I need to make more videos in this channel. So I hope you do that. That's it for now. Until I see you again, goodbye.